Elevate your printer, store your supplies, and reclaim your desk. The best stands combine ergonomic design, smart storage, and mobile or sturdy options for a perfectly organized workspace. Starting at number 1. Safco Deskside 3-Tier Rolling Cart Printer Stand. Keep your printer close at hand but your workspace completely clutter-free with the Safco Deskside 3-Tier Rolling Cart, a durable and stylish mobile utility table built to handle up to 200 pounds of equipment. Constructed with sturdy powder-coated steel and a sleek black finish, this versatile cart features 2 adjustable shelves that provide customizable storage for paper, ink cartridges, and other accessories, while its 4 rolling wheels let you effortlessly transport your printer and supplies anywhere you need them, whether across a home office, classroom, dorm room, or mailroom. Combining rugged durability with smart organization and smooth mobility, this cart is the ideal solution for maintaining a tidy, efficient, and flexible workstation. Number 2. Mind Reader Compact Rolling Printer Cart. Designed specifically for tight workspaces, the Mind Reader Compact Rolling Printer Cart delivers big functionality in a small footprint, making it the perfect storage solution for home offices, dorm rooms, and cramped cubicles. This versatile utility stand features an adjustable 2- or 3-tier design that lets you customize the height from 19.5 to 24.5 inches, ensuring a perfect fit under desks or beside workstations, while its sturdy construction supports up to 75 pounds of equipment when weight is evenly distributed. 4 smooth rolling wheels, complete with locking casters, provide effortless mobility and secure stability, while the included drawer offers convenient storage for small supplies like extra ink or USB cables. Compact, adaptable, and easy to move, this space-saving cart keeps your printer or projector accessible without sacrificing precious desk real estate. Number 3. Safco Onyx Rolling Cart Printer Stand. Designed to tuck neatly under most desks, the Safco Onyx Rolling Cart Printer Stand offers a compact and space-saving solution for keeping your printer, scanner, or fax machine within easy reach without cluttering your workspace. Built with a durable steel frame and a scratch-resistant laminate top, this mobile utility table is finished with a tough powder coat that resists chipping and scratching, ensuring a professional look that lasts. 4 swivel casters, 2 of which lock, provide smooth, effortless mobility when you need to reposition the cart and rock-solid stability when you don't, while the convenient bottom shelf offers bonus storage for paper, toner, folders, or other office supplies. Measuring just 19 inches wide and 16 inches deep, this sturdy underdesk cart maximizes floor space without compromising functionality, making it the ideal organizational partner for any home office or professional workspace. Number 4. Mind Reader 3-Tier Multipurpose Rolling Cart. Versatile, mobile, and space-efficient, the Mind Reader 3-Tier Multipurpose Rolling Cart is the ultimate organizational solution for any room in your home, whether you need a stylish bar cart, a convenient microwave stand, a coffee station, or a utility organizer for everyday essentials. Crafted with a sturdy metal frame and durable MDF shelves, this 3-tier cart offers vertical storage that keeps appliances, beverages, decor, and supplies neatly arranged and easily accessible. 4 smooth rolling caster wheels allow effortless movement from room to room, while 2 locking casters ensure the cart stays securely in place once positioned. Measuring 23 inches long, 12 inches wide, and 29.5 inches tall with a 55-pound weight capacity, this compact yet functional cart maximizes storage in tight spaces without sacrificing style or stability, making it a must-have addition to any kitchen, living room, office, or garage. Number 5. VASAGLE Side Table, 2-Tier Nightstand. Bring industrial charm and practical functionality to any room with the VASAGLE 2-Tier Side Table, a stylish nightstand or end table that effortlessly blends rustic warmth with modern edge. Featuring a rustic brown particle board tabletop, a sturdy black steel frame, and an eye-catching metal mesh shelf, this piece adds instant character to living rooms, bedrooms, or home offices. Built for durability, the table boasts 1.7-inch wide leg tubes, sturdier than most competitors, supporting up to 44 pounds on the top and 33 pounds on the mesh shelf, while adjustable feet compensate for uneven floors to eliminate wobbling. Assembly is a breeze with clearly labeled parts and illustrated instructions, so you can enjoy the chic, space-saving accent piece in no time.